Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at the hottest paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of May the 25th to the 31st. A lot of us love to stock up on paper, and we're going to look at this two different ways, doing it curbside and doing one deal in store. And a lot of us just want to stock up on paper right now. A little bit of nostalgia for you today. If you look at that dollar off coupon from 2022. Do you remember when we used to get those in the newspaper in the Wayback Machine and we would show up with a huge stack of them at various stores? Well, like this video if you remember that trip down memory lane. Okay, so the first couple deals we're going to be looking at doing them curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. Okay, so deal number one, we are going to be grabbing 2 of the Scott toilet papers. Alternatively, if you want to get a Scott toilet paper for $5 and a paper towel, it'll reduce down to $2.50, but 2 of them is $7.50. Now for the toilet paper, we have this, which is $1 off, so we're going to make sure we have it loaded. Why not? And just to get the math to balance out, we're going to throw in one of these $3.99 Walgreens toilet papers. Alternatively, you can also grab their paper towels. This is very, very similar to Angel Soft, so I am not complaining about this toilet paper ever. Now, just to show you, you can use the coupon code WAG10 for an additional 40 cents of savings. You just enter it in that promo code box at the top and the dollar coming off from Scott. If that promo code isn't working for you, try logging out and re-logging back in the app. Sometimes it's a little bit fussy. The overall total for our basket is $11.49, 40 cents coming off, free curbside pickup, tax, and our dollar manufacturer coming off. So the total here is $10.76. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it. Pay 76 cents for 3 things of paper product, a great thing for your stockpile. This is a very good deal. The next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2. This one, we're going to go full on with the Walgreens toilet paper. Alternatively, if you want to get a couple toilet papers and paper towels priced at $3.99, it must be the ones priced at $3.99. But these are the 9 rolls and they're the soft ones and very similar to Angel Soft. We're going to throw in the code WAG10 to save an additional $1.20. So if you did this in store, you wouldn't have that savings. So that's why I'm encouraging you to do this curbside. And just to show you guys, it's $11.97, WAG10 taking a very nice $1.20 off, 65 cents in tax. So the total here is $11.42. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay the $1.42 and call this a very good deal. Again, if you want to mix and match with the $3.99 toilet paper and paper towel, feel free to do that. Final deal that I have prepared for you is in store, so you have to do this one in store. It's following this, the $5.49 Bounty, Charmin Essentials, and the Puffs at $5.49. Buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. Now this is where the deal is going to get really sweet. If you might have gotten a print, one of those little cheap 4x6s, and you might have this, which is a 5 back when you spend 15. We're going to throw it into this deal. When you're also picking up your print at the photo counter, punch in your phone number to anticipate the printing of this. So here I have 4 of these paper products. I'm going heavy with the paper towels because I don't know. Honestly, the Puffs would also be a really good one because we don't really get a lot of deals on Puffs, and I know a lot of you probably love the Puffs tissues. So 4 of these, please make sure that they are tagged. You really got to pay attention when you're in store. Just don't grab anything. So at $5.49, these 4 items is $21.96. You're going to get the cashier to scan your 5 back when you spend 15 booster. And you're going to have to pay the full amount of $21.96. I did not have any manufacturer coupons to go with any of this, but what you're getting back is $5 of Walgreens cash and a $5 register reward, making the $11.96. $2.99 per item. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using a booster of spend 15 to earn back 5. You can use manufacturer register rewards, for example, that Garnier deal, the Colgate deal. If you wanted to couple the $4 and the $3, throw $7 into this, that's probably the smarter way to get a lesser out of pocket and to move one deal into the second one. Personally, that's what I would do to get a lesser out of pocket. But make these deals happen. I know a lot of us right now specifically want to stock up on paper, and I'm certainly in that boat as well. And for these P&G fancier papers, a lot of us are pretty excited by that. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.